crazy. I told you, there used to be a clean house. Look at the roof sitting on the side of the house.
Wow.
The roof is literally on the side of the house. That house gone.
Literally gone.
Goodness gracious, man. Just one street over from my house, man. Look at that greenhouse and the cars. Good. What's that? One, two, three, four, five cars together?
Wow.
And then that's that greenhouse that's on that front street. I ain't, yep. Well, I say that, and then it tore the side of that house off.
The whole room is right there. How these people got out?
I mean, the side of their house laying right there.
Man, see the school.
Yeah, the school is messed up. Then they had them hydrants on, sprinklers was on.
Wow.
It slid that house down off that foundation. I'm talking about pull the whole house off the foundation.
What's the tree? Hi, brother.
All right, how you doing, man? I wonder if they gonna let us through here.
Oh, shoot. I ain't even look. You ain't getting no way in?
Good, them trees came on down. And they got that look on their face too, man. Like this it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.